Hi, my name is Mostafa. Coronavirus or the COVID-19 is here. It has hit us. It has hit our planet. It has hit our pockets, our jobs, our careers. In the month of March, Canada alone has lost 1 million jobs. In the United States, 35 million jobs have been lost in the past month. It is here, and from what the analysts and the reporters are saying, we've only just seen the tip of the iceberg. It is about to get a lot uglier. So as business owners and entrepreneurs, it is not time to sit around and bitch and whine about the economy and sit down and worry about things. It is time to take action, to plan and strategize and figure out what we need to do next, how to pivot, how to adjust our business model, and figure out what exactly needs to happen in the next 6 months so we can survive, so we can put food on our table. Yes, government is providing some assistance with money, but it's very little. And it's not going to last forever. So as business owners, it is time to sit down and get creative and put our collective intelligence together in a group environment and create a plan to figure out again what we're going to do. So I'm inviting you to come join us next week for this free marketing class that we're going to run daily from Monday to Saturday to get together every day, cover different areas of marketing, and create a plan for the next 6 months. I look forward to seeing you at the course. My name is Mostafa Hosseini. Take care and stay safe.